In our village, Bangda was a regular part of life, fresh from the sea, simple and familiar. In many coastal homes, Bangda is simple, affordable, and deeply loved. It's the kind of fish that appears on ordinary weekdays. Early morning, before the sun became harsh, the fisherwomen would walk through the lanes, their basket balanced on their heads, calling out in loud voices. That sound itself meant lunch was decided. My granny would step outside with a sari pallu tucked at her waist, bargaining a little, smiling a little, and finally choosing the freshest bangda with careful hands. Back home, the courtyard would smell of the sea and wet earth. She would clean the fish near the stone slab, washing it again and again, saying, "Fresh fish needs gentle hands." Inside the kitchen, the wooden stove would already be warm. Oil would heat slowly in an iron kadai, and once the masala went in, the whole house would know today it's bangda curry. The red color of the gravy, the tangy smell of kokum, and that slow simmering sound, it was never rush. Grandmother never measured anything. No spoons, no cups. Just a handful of this, a pinch of that. Everything was by memory. When the curry was ready, it would be served with steaming rice on steel plates. No fancy garnishing, no photographs, just simple food and full hearts. Even today, whenever Bangda curry cooks in my kitchen, it doesn't feel modern. It feels like I am standing in that old village house again, listening to distant sea waves and watching my grandmother move calmly around the stove. Some dishes don't just fill your stomach, they bring back voices, places, and moments. Bangda curry is one of those.